Hey, the word of the day is anthropomorphism, and more broadly, anything that is anthropomorphic. This word means to apply human characteristics to something that's not human, like, for example, a god or an object or an animal or anything really. And this came up in a conversation I was having as part of a research endeavor with another colleague. And what we're focusing on is the application of artificial intelligence in songwriting, but this thing has been happening for years, like even just the calling of like a vehicle he or she or something like that, or any other like sort of non-living thing or non-human thing, referring to as if it has sort of personality traits like like a human would. What's really interesting when we think about artificial intelligence is how we might attribute sort of personality traits to, let's say, language learning models like ChatGPT, for example, or Gemini, or something like that, or anything else in the ways that it can, any other or any other platform that aids us, and we think of it as an aid or like an assistant or something that has some quirks, but that we accept those quirks. That was where our conversation was going, and then my colleague brought up this word anthropomorphic to describe how we may think of these artificial intelligence tools as allies in our pursuits, whether that be writing or researching or composing music or coming up with language for colleagues or peers. There are a lot of different applications, but it's the idea of thinking of it as an ally that is, in our view, somewhat anthropomorphic.